Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to access Adobe Firefly. Now let's begin. On the search bar of your browser, simply type firefly.adobe.com and hit enter. This is the homepage of Adobe Firefly. To initially use this, you need to sign in. So if you have not signed in or signed up, do it right now. You can sign in or sign up using Google account, Facebook or Apple. It's completely up to you. And as you can see, I have successfully signed in to my Adobe account. So let's scroll down. Well, there are lots of things here. The simple text box with a generate button, text to image, generative fill, text effects, text to vector graphics, text to template, and generate recolor. Well, you can try anyone from among these, but for simplicity, I'm simply gonna try this. You can type anything, but for now, I'm simply gonna type dog, images, and click on generate. There are lots of things right now, you can simply skip the tour. And there you have it. That's how you access Adobe Firefly and generate images from your prompts. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.